AppStorage is a property wrapper within SwiftUI that simplifies the management and persistence of user preferences and settings within an iOS and Mac OS X applications. AppStorage will be used in this example to store and retrieve light mode and username. For example, I could enter a username such as iOS Insights, and then when I close the application or exit the application, the information will persist. So if I close the application now and then rerun it, iOS Insights.co.uk will be displayed within the text field, and the modes, the light mode, will be dark. So now I'll just rerun it. It's just running at the moment, it's trying to load. It's nearly loaded. It's loaded now. As you can see, the data has been persisted. And then I'll show it again by selecting light mode. This time I'll select light mode. As you can see, it's all light. I'll close it. And then rerun it again. And now light mode will be retrievable from the AppStorage with iOS Insights as the username. Just loading. Nearly loaded. As you can see, the light mode has been retrievable from the AppStorage with the username irisinsights.co.uk. This is the tutorial we'll be implementing today. Within your content view, create an enum after line 9. So just type in enum theme string case light equals light case dark. Oh, that should be, yeah, that's right. Case dark equals dark. And then within your content view, you need to declare 2 AppStorage properties. And we do this after line 15. At AppStorage selected theme private var store selected theme .light. So the default theme will be .light for light mode. AppStorage username private var username string. And we also need to create an initializer. And the purpose of the initializer was to initialize the AppStorage. So just type in init store selected theme equals AppStorage. Wrap value selected not selected but it should be stored selected theme selected theme. Next thing we need to do is delete the lines 26 to 29 and also delete line 28 and then type in vstack. We can use this vstack. So just type in open bracket spacing 20 and then we need a text element user preferences dot font dot large title dot foreground color open bracket stored selected theme equals dot light question mark. So if it's light, set it to black, else dot white. So what that does on line 28, it sets the text color based on the selected theme. And then just add a bit of padding around the text area. So to enable the user to enter their name, we have to create a text field again, a text element. Text field enter username text $sign username, so some binding so that the information is assigned to the variable username. Dot text field style rounded border text, and it should be rounded border text field style. What that does, it just applies a rounded border to the text field, so there's no edges on it, no corners. Dot padding, dot background, color, store, selected theme equals dot light, question mark, white, else, gray. So if it's light mode for the when the application loads for the text field, for the username text field, if it's light mode, then it will assign the text field background color to white, else it will be grey. Dot corner radius 10. Next thing we need to do is create a picker so that the user can select which mode they want to save into AppStorage, if they want to save light mode or dark mode, so that it persists between seconds. So just type in picker, select theme, selection, and then we need $, selection, $, stored, selected theme, so line 37, what that does, it creates a picker with a title select theme, and it binds it to the store selected theme property. Next thing we need to do is create labels. So to do that, we just use text. So the first label is light dot tag, and the theme for the tag will be light. And then for the foreground color, just type in dot foreground color dot white, dot background store selected theme equals dot light question mark color dot blue color dot clear. So what that line does, it sets the background color to blue if it's the selected theme. Otherwise, it sets it to clear and then we need to create another text option. So just type in text dark dot tag theme dark. And this text will also be displayed on the picker as one of the options. Dot foreground color dot white. I'll just copy a little bit of line 40 because some of it is the same, I think. And then paste it on the line 43 and change the things that need to be changed. So that should be dot dark. Yeah, that's right. Color dot blue and color dot clear. The next thing we need to do is apply a segmented picker style to the picker. And we do this after line 45, anywhere after line 45. Dot picker style segmented picker style dot padding dot background color. I'll just copy line 44, paste it here, and then I'll just change what needs to be changed. So that should be dot light and the color should be white and the other color should be grey. And we also need to add a corner radius, dot corner radius, 10. So the corner radius, it just applies a corner radius of 10 to the picker. And now we need to add another text element for the picker. So just type in text, selected theme, stored selected theme dot raw. And what this will do, it will display the selected theme with its raw value. Dot font dot headline dot foreground color stored selected theme equals dot light. question mark dot black else dot white. And now we need to create our final text element to display the user's name. Text username username spelled incorrectly. Oh, that should be a capital N. Dot font headline in dot headline dot foreground color I'll just copy lines 54 and then let's change the values if it's needed to be changed. Dot light, question mark, dot black, dot white, so I don't have to change anything there. So now we just need to add the padding, type in dot padding. And this is just to add padding to the view. Dot background color, so I think I'll just do this. And then type in color, stored, selected theme, equals, dot light, question mark, dot white, else, dot black. And that just sets the background color based on the selected theme. And then just have to add a corner radius. Dot corner radius 10. And then add a shadow. Dot shadow radius 5. And the purpose of the shadow radius is just to give it a little bit of a 3D effect. So let's compile it now. It's just compiling at the moment. And let's run it to see if it works. It's just loaded at the moment. It works. The default setting is light mode. So to test it out, I'll just enter my name and see if it persists between sessions. So this time I'll set it as dark mode. So when we restart the application, it should be restarted in this mode and not light mode. So now I'll just close the application by clicking on X. on the simulator, and now I will rerun the application. It's just running at the moment. I mean, it's trying to compile. It's just compiling at the moment. As you can see, my name has been persist with the light mode color of dark. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.